the Vice President of Marketing Communications for Grass Valley. We're here at NAB 2018, where the big story for us, of course, is our recent acquisition of Snell Advanced Media, or SAM. We're featuring all of the combined entities products here in a single booth in the South Hall. Some of the key highlights that we're showing off here at the show include solutions in HDR, of course in IP, and some real advancements in cloud-enabled products and virtualization. Products specifically, one of our big releases this year is a fully true cloud-enabled playout solution that we're calling ITX Flex. ITX Flex allows enormous flexibility for our customers to spin up and down new channels in less than just a few minutes, with all the benefits of microservices and a UI based on HTML5, so it's browser-based and enables enormous convenience for our customers, folks who want to enjoy all of the enormous flexibility and scalability that true cloud provides, and we're thinking that it's really going to be a big hit in the market. In addition, we have a brand new switcher frame that we're introducing here at the show called GV-K-Frame X. GV-K-Frame X is compatible with all of the legacy Grass Valley switcher control panels like Corona, Carrera, and Cayenne, and it provides the highest density for a combined SDI or IP workflow. So any of the inputs can be IP, any can be SDI, and then switched over as your IP workflow becomes a larger part of your overall mix. And finally, we're introducing some major workflow advancements for our news customers, featuring the Ignite automated production system. Ignite version 11 provides a really convenient and easy to use intuitive interface, which allows quick configuration to get your automated workflows up and running quickly. And of course, it's integrated with our workflow management tool, Stratus, which now has integration with a full generic asset management system from the SAM acquisition called Momentum. Stratus also features an integrated transcoding system called RE, and an integrated ingest management tool called I/O. And the Stratus system is providing a tremendous amount of utility because of the integration of all of the different editors that are now provided throughout the Grass Valley family, including, of course, our long-running platform, Edius, and our two new additions, Go and Rio, all available with full integration through the Stratus platform. So that's it from NAB for here at Grass Valley. We're real excited this year for our customers to see all of our advancements. We hope to see everybody here soon.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.